Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about AdSense, that is Google AdSense. So guys, if you are familiar with Google AdSense, so you have listened CTR, that is click through rate. And if you are not familiar with Google AdSense, so I will just give you the brief idea about Google AdSense. So guys, first of all I will open my AdSense account. So here I will just click AdSense, and here you have to be open this link. This is the second link, Google AdSense. You have to be open this one, but before that just I will give you the brief idea of Google AdSense. Google AdSense is the way of earning, and this is the product of Google. Suppose guys, you have a YouTube channel or you write a blog in a website. So guys, this time this blog website or YouTube channel do not provide you money. Just YouTube money all comes on your AdSense account, and then you add your bank account on your AdSense account, and then you get your revenue. So that is the AdSense, your revenue generate on AdSense account. So now guys, I will open this Google AdSense account, and now guys I just blur on my channel logo here on the top right corner for the security purpose. And guys, this is this AdSense account my on my gaming channel, because I newly opened my gaming channel, and this that is newly monetized. And guys, that's why you can see the earning is showing 0, because guys this channel is newly monetized, and here you can see the balance is 0. When your $10 will be completed, so you have to verify your pin, and then you will get a money in your bank account, and you this time you have to be add your bank account also. But here the main topic is CTR. So guys, what is CTR? First of all you have to be understand that. So guys, CTR is click through rate. So when you watch a video of any kinds of video on anyone's channel, and this time see that the ad is coming on this video, and mistakenly or this ad is related to you, so for that you have clicked this ad. So two way, if this ad is related to you, and if you mistakenly click this ad, so this is called CTR. So guys, when the CTR is going high, more than 10%, people says it's a risky, but how much it's a true? So guys, first of all I will show you my CTR. So how you can check it? Just here you can see the report option. So you have to be open this report option, and then guys this type of interface will be open on your AdSense account. Here you can see, but here my CTR is not showing. So guys, here the CTR option so guys, first of all here you can see my CTR option is not coming. Many kinds of tabs is coming here: estimated earning, page review, page RPM, but CTR option is not coming. So guys, if you are facing this type of problem, so here I will show how you can get this CTR option. Because guys, here you can see this is the version of AdSense account. So if you are facing this type of problem, so just here the edit option, just you have to click this option, and guys here just you can see the different types of tab. So just here you have to be click this CTR and apply. So now here the CTR tab is comes on your Google AdSense account. So this way you can manage your tab. And suppose you want to you don't want to show this any kinds of tab, so here you will get a cross sign. Just you have to click this one and just click apply. And any kinds of tab you want to show, so just here from here you have to click this tab, and just you have to click apply button. So guys, this way you can solve this problem. And now CTR option is comes, and now I will click this CTR option, but here is showing nothing because this is the beta version. So guys, to update anything in beta version, it's getting a late. So guys, now just I will move to the previous version. So here you find a switch button. Just I will click this button. So my AdSense will be moved on previous version, and now here my AdSense account moved on previous version. And now I will show you how you can check CTR. So here is the field. Here you can see filter plus add. So is beside this plus add option, just you have to be click. And now after clicking we will get this drop down. So from here just you will find a option that is product, this product option. Just here you have to be click. So after clicking this, here you will find three kind of option. Just here I will show how you can check CTR, and if your CTR is going high more than 10%, your AdSense is on risk or not. So I will discuss about that. If you want to all the things like AdSense for content, any kinds of things, what is the purpose of use. So guys, you can do a comment. I will make a video, another video on that. So just now to check the CTR, just now here you have to be click this option YouTube host. So I will check this option, and now I will click this apply button. So after clicking this, just here you will find the option that is click. So you have to be click this button. After clicking this, so here you will find your CTR. So here you can see my yesterday, this is the 7 days. Here you can see 7 days. I'm checking CTR of my previous 7 days. Actually it's not a 7 days, just my monetized on the yesterday. So it's a 1 day, but it's checking a 7 days, you understand. So guys, here you can see the click is 26. That means on my video how much ad is comes on my video. So in that 26 people click on that ad, and the many people skip that ad, but 26 people have clicked on this ad. So my CTR is going 10.44%, but here my AdSense account still working, it's not disabled. So how? So guys, here I will say, so guys, AdSense disable for your invalid click or invalid activity. That means guys, when advertiser give a advertisement on your video, so he wants this advertise reach on the particular person who is needed. Suppose on your video it's getting its ad is coming like any kinds of product. So advertiser want that these kinds of product at people who are the interested, then he can watch. So guys, sometime when you newly created your channel, blog site, or any kinds of apps, so when in this platform ad is coming, so you do one thing, you just share your YouTube videos or your blog link or your app link. Okay, so people are not coming on your same platform. Like if you have a YouTube channel, so people are not coming from your YouTube channel, you are sharing your video on Facebook, WhatsApp, so people are coming from WhatsApp and Facebook account or any kinds of external platform. So guys, this is called a invalid activities. So this time you are showing your ad, it's a indirectly I'm saying you are showing your ad forcefully, like people are not interested on this particular ad. Because guys, if you are search your, I'm giving you the example from YouTube. So guys, if you are searching a video on YouTube and any kinds of video comes by your searching way, so this time the YouTube decide which kind of ad will be shown on the particular video for this user. So this is not a invalid activity. But if you share a video that is, but so this time whom you are sharing your video, if he open your video, so the ad is coming, but people are not interested on this particular product, which product as ad is coming. So this is the invalid. So this time if your CTR is going high, so this time your AdSense account on risk. And guys, the main thing, if your AdSense account is disabled once, so your channel or blog or any kind of apps where you have linked this AdSense account, so you have to be close your YouTube, blog, or any kinds of apps where you have connected this AdSense account. So this time people says just disable your ads. So but guys, I'm saying it's an if your CTR is going high, don't worry guys. If you know you are not sharing your video and you are not watching your ads which is coming on your video, so guys this time don't worry, it's not on risk. But guys, I would suggest you, if your CTR is going high more than 10%, so just disable at for 2 or 4 hours, and after 2 or 4 hours just check CTR. This way, if your CTR is down on 10 less than 10%, so you can enable your ad again. But guys, in the any kind of privacy policy or terms and condition of AdSense, they are had not written that if your CTR is going high more than 10%, so your AdSense will be disabled. Just for the invalid activity, your AdSense may be disabled. And I told you what is the invalid activity. If you are sharing your video after on monetize, so this time people comes from the external platform, so that is the invalid activity of and the another is if you are watching your video by yourself, so that is the invalid activity. I mean the same Gmail account, like if you are if you have opened your YouTube channel or any kinds of blog account like a@gmail.com, and if you are watching videos or these blogs blog you are reading this a@gmail.com, that is the same. So this is the invalid activity, so this time your AdSense account may be the disable, otherwise not. So hope guys I can clear you how, when the AdSense is disabled. So hope guys this video is helpful, and if you want to get more this type of videos, so guys don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon to get more update. And guys, this if this video is helpful, so guys don't forget to like this video.